Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your investments with Crypto.com, full guide step by step clearly. To protect your investments with Crypto.com, start by signing up for an account on their website or app. Ensure you complete the necessary identity verification process to secure your account. Once verified, enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security. Choose a strong, unique password and avoid using easily guessable information. Familiarize yourself with the platform's features and tools available for managing your investments. Consider using the Crypto.com wallet to store your assets securely. Transfer your cryptocurrencies to this wallet for added safety from potential hacks. Regularly monitor your account for any unauthorized transactions or suspicious activity. Keep your recovery phrase safe and do not share it with anyone. When trading, use risk management strategies such as setting stop-loss orders. Diversify your portfolio by investing in various cryptocurrencies to spread risk. Stay informed about market trends and news that may impact your investments. Utilize Crypto.com's educational resources to enhance your understanding of cryptocurrency. Set specific investment goals and timelines to help guide your decisions. Be cautious when following investment advice from social media or unverified sources. Periodically review your investment strategy and make adjustments as needed. Remember to withdraw profits periodically to secure gains and minimize risks. Be aware of potential phishing scams and ensure you are on the official Crypto.com site. Always log out from your account after each session, especially on public devices. By following these steps, you can protect your investments with Crypto.com and navigate the cryptocurrency market more safely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.